So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. So we're gonna talk about how to add friends on Monopoly Go with user ID. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to add friends on Monopoly Go with the user ID, these are all the only steps that are allowed so you can add friends. So the first one is gonna be contacts. So right here in contacts, you will have to add contacts, so it will ask your phone number and it will automatically add friends that are playing Monopoly Go from your contact list. Second is Facebook. So right here, once you confirm this, it will ask your permission to connect the game to Facebook and will automatically add your Facebook friends that are already playing Monopoly Go. So lastly, it's only via invite. So you can copy the link, and this will allow you to send the installation link to any of your friends and have them install the game basically, so they will be automatically in your friend list the moment they play and install the game. So there's no such thing as user ID right here. You cannot add via user ID. You can only do it via these three methods that I showed you. So there you go guys, that is how you basically add friends in Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, I hope to see you next time and see you again.